The brave ocean princess, in a kingdom deep beneath the sparkling waves of the sapphire sea, there lived a young ocean princess named Marina. With her long flowing hair like seaweed, eyes as blue as the clearest lagoon, and a sparkling crown made of seashells, she was a sight to behold. But Marina's beauty was surpassed only by her bravery. One sunny underwater morning, as Marina played with her friends, the sea turtles and dolphins, a terrible shadow loomed over the ocean floor. It was the fearsome ocean monsters, known for causing chaos and destruction wherever they went. These creatures were mysterious, with scales that shimmered like gems and eyes that glowed with a menacing light. The ocean monsters had come from the darkest depths to take over Marina's peaceful kingdom. Their leader, a monstrous beast named Kragor, was the most feared of them all. Determined to save her kingdom, Princess Marina knew she had to act fast. Gathering her courage, she sought advice from the wise old sea turtle, Balthazar, who told her, deep within the dark trench lies the coral sword, a magical weapon that can defeat Kragor. Without hesitation, Marina embarked on her brave adventure toward the dark trench, accompanied by a loyal band of ocean creatures, Bubbles the clownfish, Sammy the seahorse, and Lucille the lobster. They swam through coral reefs vibrant with colors and past fields of sea anemones. The journey was not easy. As Marina and her friends neared the dark trench, they faced many obstacles, swirling whirlpools, jagged rock formations, and blinding storms of sand and bubbles. But Marina's spirit never wavered. She comforted her friends, "Together we are strong." Finally, reaching the mouth of the dark trench, they faced their final challenge. The seafloor opened like a colossal maw, dark and threatening. The coral sword lay deep within, guarded by a giant sea serpent that snarled and twisted its shimmering coils. Marina took a deep breath, steadying her heart. "I must do this," she said softly. With a rush of determination, she darted past the serpent, grabbing hold of that glittering sword with both hands. The moment Marina held the sword aloft, the sea serpent vanished. The coral sword glowed with an inner light, casting a warm shine across Marina's face. Armed with her newfound weapon, Marina and her friends surged back toward their kingdom. The battle with Kragor and his minions was fierce. Their tentacles lashed and waves crashed. Marina was undeterred, leading her friends with courage and cleverness. At the height of the battle, as Kragor loomed over the castle, Marina raised the coral sword. With a flash of brilliant light, the monsters were vanquished, retreating back to the depths from which they came. Peace returned to the Ocean Kingdom, and Princess Marina was hailed as a true hero. Her bravery and kindness were celebrated far and wide, and she knew that whatever challenges the future might bring, she would face them with the same courage she had shown to save her kingdom. And so, the Ocean Princess took her place, not just as a ruler with a crown, but as a guardian of the seas, always ready to protect her watery home. And they all lived happily beneath the waves, where adventure was always just a current away. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.